phone stands provide hands-free convenience, improve ergonomics, stabilize devices for viewing, recording, or charging, enhancing overall usability. Today's video is about top 5 best phone stands that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Lisen Phone Stand. The Lisen Ergonomic Adjustable Phone Stand is a game changer for anyone seeking comfort, style, and functionality in one sleek device. Its height-adjustable design, 7.1 to 8.5 inches, and versatile angle range, 5 to 85 degrees, make it perfect for reducing text neck while ensuring optimal posture during prolonged phone use. Ideal for video recording, Zoom calls, TikTok, or FaceTime, it allows unobstructed viewing, including subtitles, making it a must-have for gamers, streamers, and office setups alike. The stand's stability and compatibility with bulky cases, like OtterBox, prevent tipovers, while its built-in charging hole and cable management keep workspaces tidy. Anti-slip silicone padding protects devices from scratches and ensures hands-free safety. Easy to assemble with included tools, the Lisen stand is backed by a 365-day hassle-free warranty, reflecting the brand's commitment to user satisfaction. Combining practicality, ergonomic benefits, and stylish design, it's an essential accessory for modern desk and kitchen setups. Now our second product is CreaDream Phone Stand. The CreaDream Multi-Angle Phone Stand is a premium accessory designed for versatility, comfort, and durability. Its innovative 270 degrees adjustable design allows users to set their device at the perfect angle for video calls, streaming, gaming, or reading, while the widened hook ensures a secure fit even with protective cases. Offering universal compatibility, it supports all smartphones and e-readers between 4 to 8 inches, including the latest iPhone 16 series, Samsung Galaxy models, iPads, Kindles, and more. Crafted from sturdy aluminum, the stand provides stable support, while rubber pads and feet protect devices from scratches and prevent sliding, making it safe for any surface. Ideal for desks, kitchens, nightstands, or dining tables, it promotes a hands-free lifestyle, reducing neck and cervical strain during prolonged use. Attention to detail is evident in its CNC-like finish, giving it a sleek, premium feel. Practical, ergonomic, and stylish, this stand enhances everyday device use. Our third product is Omoton Phone Stand. This phone stand is a remarkable blend of design, functionality, and durability. Its 270-degree adjustable rotation allows users to customize viewing angles perfectly for gaming, video streaming, or FaceTime calls, delivering a truly hands-free experience. Built with 3mm thick aluminum and a larger base, 4.1 by 3 by 4.4 inches, it offers exceptional stability, ensuring your device stays secure even on uneven surfaces. The heavy case compatibility is a thoughtful touch, no need to remove your phone case when charging or using your device. Enhanced silicone pads protect against scratches and slipping, giving peace of mind when placing your phone on the stand. The attention to detail is evident in the CNC machined edges, providing a smooth, premium touch reminiscent of high-end devices. Overall, this stand is a perfect combination of practicality, protection, and aesthetic appeal, making it a must-have accessory for anyone seeking convenience without compromising on style or quality. Now number 4, Ugreen Phone Stand. The Ugreen Phone Stand is a thoughtfully engineered accessory combining portability, stability, and versatility. Its compact size, 3.74 inches by 3.35 inches, and lightweight design, 2.2 ounces, make it effortlessly collapsible and travel-friendly, perfect for work, home, or on-the-go use. The stable triangular structure ensures excellent sturdiness, even for larger phones, giving confidence that your device stays secure. With multi-angle adjustability from 0 degrees to 100 degrees, the automatic lock mechanism allows you to set your phone at the ideal viewing angle for video calls, streaming, or reading. Enhanced silicone mats protect devices from slipping or scratches while keeping the stand firmly in place on any surface. Its broad compatibility accommodates smartphones, 4 to 7.9 inches, small tablets, e-readers, and other devices, making it a versatile solution for all digital needs. Overall, Ugreen delivers a portable, reliable, and highly functional phone stand designed for convenience and everyday use. And our last choice is Lamicall Phone Stand. The Lamicall Phone Stand is a perfect blend of versatility, stability, and durability. Its 360 degrees rotatable pivot allows effortless adjustment to any viewing angle, making it ideal for video calls, online classes, streaming, cooking with digital recipes, or sharing content. Designed for stability, the large circular base with anti-slip silicone ensures your device remains secure, while the elegant CD pattern swivel joint adds a refined aesthetic. The dual pivot arm design provides up to 180 degrees multi-angle adjustment, allowing both vertical and horizontal positioning for browsing, gaming, or reading without strain. Crafted from durable carbon steel, it promises long-lasting use, and the silicone-padded backrest and hooks protect devices from scratches and slipping. Its wide compatibility supports phones and tablets between 4 to 10 inches, even with cases up to 0.59 inches thick, accommodating devices like the latest iPhone 17 series and Galaxy S24. A functional, stylish, and dependable desk accessory for any modern workspace or home. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.